Have you ever started to lose weight and then hit a plateau, but you're not at your goal weight yet? Or if you've already lost weight, but you see it start to creep back on right around the middle, it happens to the best of us. What if I could show you today a tool that would help you break through that plateau or rein back in those healthy eating habits so that you can keep the weight off? Surprisingly, this simple tool does both of those things, and I personally have used it for over 6 years to keep off 60 of these that I lost 6 years ago. So if that tool sounds like it'd be helpful for you, you, my friend, are in the right place. Hello and welcome. My name is Alicia Jones. This is part 2 of a 4-part series on macronutrient weight loss made simple. How to lose weight with macros. Now that may sound sciencey and technical, but it's actually really much more simple than it might sound. If you do want a quick explanation of macros, check out video 1 from this 4-part series. So if you're excited to learn today's tool that's so simple, even your kids are going to be able to do it, and I'm going to show you how I taught my kids, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's been trying to lose weight or struggling to maintain their weight too. Okay, let's dive in. Strategy number 2 is to dial in your portion sizes. In video 1, I taught you about macros and how to balance them, but if the portions are too big, you still won't lose that muffin top, under here, right, that you've been wanting to. And you also won't be able to prevent the belly fat from coming back. Remember, this tool works for both weight loss and weight maintenance. So I have put together for you a handy portion size guide. Get it using your hand. You need to know a couple portions for weight loss. 1 cup is your fist, great for things like leafy vegetables or fruit. 1/2 a cup is your hand here, just this part of your hand, great for pastas or breads, rice, things like that. Also is your thumb for teaspoon and tablespoon, great for things like little cheese cubes or even a piece of chocolate, right? This is also about retraining your brain because it's very easy to lose track of what the portion sizes need to be because things that are delivered from the restaurants, are pretty typically big portion sizes. Anyways, so I wanted to show you how this looks in real life. This is what I have taught my own kids to do, and you can do it for yourself and your family as well. For breakfast, they get out their little plastic breakfast bowl. I taught them to use a 1 cup measuring. They pour the cereal in here and they pour like this. Okay. Then I've taught them to use a 1 cup liquid measure for their plant-based unsweetened vanilla milk. They pour that like that. Okay. Then I've also taught them how to balance their macros of what I shared with you in video 1. Here's 1 scoop of vegan chocolate protein powder, and they put it like this. And by the time they're done, they mix it up and eat it. Okay, it's that simple. You saw there, I'm gonna put this down, both the balanced macronutrients and you saw the portion sizes, okay? So what is your next step? Well, look around your kitchen. I bet you if you open up your pantry and your fridge, you have a lot of those things already in there. And then make a list. Make something like this or grab this one. Also, have a snack list available to you. Just jot down what you like of your macronutrients in small portions. Include the portion size in your list. Very important because that's today's focus. And then you'll be able to grab and go. All right, now if you want to use my snack list that I've been using to keep all the weight off for myself, you're welcome to have it. I prepared it for you. Grab it at the website link in the description of this video. I hope you got value from today. Please let me know. Let me know in the conversation below this video. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone that you think it would serve on their weight loss or weight maintenance journey as well. Okay, I will see you in the next video for strategy 3. Have a great day. Bye.